Welcome to Car Updates 2024, your wide-eye pass to the future of automotive awesomeness. Subscribe now and buckle up as we explore the latest in cars, tech, and exhilarating driving experiences. The Bugatti Veyron was a mid-engine, all-wheel drive sports car produced by the French automobile manufacturer Bugatti from 2005 to 2015. It holds the distinction of being the world's first production car to exceed 1,000 PA/CA 788 and 449 MFIS. Engine. Quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine. 1001 PS and wine 787 ES 6,000 RPM. 1250 NA. MEC1 WNW FI2C of torque at 5,500 RPM. 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Performance. 0-100 compass U62 MFF in 2.5 seconds. 0-200 com 2A0 180-24 M8 7.9 seconds. 0-300 com say U0 186 MFF in 16.7 seconds. Top speed of 407 km/h, 253 mph, electronically limited. Design. Two-seater coupe body. Carbon fiber monocoque chassis. Large air intakes and scoops. Active rear wing. Interior. Leather and Alcantara upholstery. Aluminum carbon fiber trim. Bose sound system. Navigation system. Price. The original Bugatti Veyron 16.4 had a base price of €0.26 million, 5 cents million. Limited edition models such as the Supersport and Grand Sport Vitesse were even more expensive. Other features: adaptive suspension, ceramic brakes, tire pressure monitoring system, launch control. The Bugatti Veyron is a truly remarkable car, and its features reflect its status as a hypercar. It is a technological marvel that combines incredible performance with luxurious comfort. So as we bring this ride to a close, we want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the journey, and stay tuned for more thrilling updates. Until next time, keep the wheels turning